I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to set up an account with Charles Schwab, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Visit the website. Go to the Charles Schwab homepage. Look for the Open an Account button prominently displayed on the site. Step 2. Choose account type. Select the type of account you want to open, such as an individual brokerage account or a retirement account. Make sure to read the descriptions to find the right fit for your needs. Step 3. Fill out personal information. Complete the online form with your personal details, including your name, address, social security number, and employment information. Double check for accuracy to avoid delays. Step 4. Review and agree to terms. Read through the terms and conditions carefully. Once you understand and agree, check the box and proceed to the next step. This is crucial to ensure you are aware of any fees or policies. Step 5. Fund your account. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eschrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Once you've completed these steps, you should receive a confirmation email. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support. Happy investing!